know that, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you need? Do you have an emergency?
I don't want to kill all you.
You want to kill who?
Everybody.
Are you alone?
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Okay, so how can we help you?
Don't wait. Y'all got me all the way. I want you to feel my pain. You feel me? I cried too much for this bullshit, bro.
You cried over
I cried
what?
too much. Too much.
But over what?
You don't understand. You won't get it.
I mean, if you don't tell me, there's no way I can help you. I mean, calling and cursing at us isn't getting you help. I mean, we have your address.
Pull up.
Okay, is your name Winkley or is it Anthony?
Jakaraya, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Draco. Draco.
How old are you?
That don't matter, you feel me? You might be a 10-year-old kid or some shit.
Okay, so you're 10 years old. You think you want to kill people. Do you have any weapons?
Shit, come find out.
Okay, are you like threatening to harm someone?
No, it's a promise.
Oh, so who are you going to hurt?
When you pull up, you gonna find out, bro.
Okay, would it be me?
Huh?
It wouldn't be me.
What do I need?
Yes.
Nothing.
Okay, so why are you calling?
I'm just thirsty for blood, you feel me?
Okay, what does that mean?
That means I want to kill you.
Okay. Do you have any weapons with you?
Come find out, I told you.
Okay, but I'm just asking.
All I got is a scissor, man.
You have a what?
All I got is a scissor.
You have a scissors.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you alone?
Yeah. What? I was like John Wick. Kill all you with a scissor.